Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another Wednesday, another shave. Those Wednesdays soon come round, don't they? Almost as quickly as that fly. Say that, eh? Reflexes Bruce Lee would have been proud of. Right, today, let's crack on with this shave. What we got, look. Ibla from Panta. I nearly said Panty Red. It was an underwear thief when we were kids, Panty Red. But anyway, no, Ibla, Panta. That was in the box that Dennis sent to me. And of all the stuff that you sent Dennis, this was the one I liked the most. That's what it looks like. It smells divine. Do you know what it smells like to me? It's not the same as, but it's in the ballpark to me of Brut. I don't think it's meant to be a fougere scent, but I get like that herbaceous, greeny, foresty, dark herbal fougere. Do you know what I'm saying? Like if you were to walk through a wet forest and you get the fragrance and the florals and the dirt and the air and herbs and all mixed in. It's difficult to describe, but it's very light, very bright. It's floral and herbaceous. It just smells absolutely fantastic, guys. Right up my street. Favourite out of the box, that Dennis, thank you. And I liked it so much. I did a Victor Kion. See if you can guess who he is. I liked it so much, I bought the after splash. Do you remember? Does anybody remember Victor Kion? What was it? Remington. He bought a Remington electric razor. And he said, I liked it so much, I bought the company. Yeah, well, we haven't all got 2 billion knocking around Victor, so I just bought the after splash. So that's the splash and the soap we're using today. I've got it there in the John Chase Captain's Choice replacement bowl. The brush we're going to be using, there you go, Simpson's Trafalgar T3 26mm. Love this knot. Get that in a little bit of warm water there, cooling down or warming up, whichever you prefer. Look at this. Battles of the big boys. We've got the Future taking on the Ming. This was requested by not 1, not 2, but 3 viewers over the course of several videos, and they all said, will you compare that to that? So that's what we're going to do. We've got that one on number 6. We've got that one on number 6. What I'm going to do, both on 6, both on 4, both on 2. See how they go, and then I'll probably tidy up with that one. I'll put them. Ooh, that's got a sink here with some hot water in. It's a little too hot. I'll just cool it down. How is everybody doing? Please click like and subscribe. Okay, the razor blades. Thank you, David Cunniff. David, I keep having to stop myself from putting an L in your name. David Cunliffe. It's not Cunliffe, it's David Cunniff. Sent me a load of razor blades, and these were in here. Lord Stainless Steels are already in to save a bit of time. Lord Stainless Steel, made in Egypt. Nice blades then. So we've got those in, and we're going to balm up with a bit of dermatol here. He's a clown. He is. He's a clown, but bergamot and basil, it's quite nice stuff, that. Okay, so what we'll do, we've got this. There you go. Look at this. Straight away, absolutely wonderful. This brush is fantastic. It's just the right mix of backbone and softness. It's a wonderful knot. I don't know if they sell these knots separately, but if they did, I would certainly. Look at this, guys. Look at this, there wasn't a lot in there, was there? But this Panta absolutely smells fantastic. It really does. Wow, look, this is spilling over. Look at this. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. So what we'll do is, I haven't even wet the face, have I? you know, it's like there's a higher force at work. Every time I shoot a video, something happens. Today, as has happened, the last I would say, the last 3 Wednesday shaves, I've got in from work late, or I felt ill, or something's happened at work. It's just always seems to be something. But you come home and you have a shave, don't you? And the razors should work today because they've not been anywhere near a sponge. Right? No sponges in sight. Oh guys, I tell you what, I may have made a fool of myself, but at least I'll let you see it. Okay, here we go. Right, I'm going to do Ming on the left hand side because I'm left handed and I want to give the imposter the best possible chance. Okay, so here we go. There you go. That feels okay. At the end of the day, I've got quite a lot of growth. And I do actually have to keep reminding myself that my beard is very coarse. Very wiry. It is like iron filings. After just tomorrow, when I get up in the morning, you'll be able to sand a door down with my chin. And no, to my grandchildren, we're not trying it. Okay. So how's everybody doing? How have you been? How's that one? Let's have a look. Yeah, it did alright. Took it down, didn't? Okay, here we go. The really see straight away, guys. Yeah. Straight away you can feel the difference on your face. Yeah, you can feel it cutting it differently. But to be fair, the Ming did a good job. I think this will probably be the last. This will probably be the last of the comparisons, to be honest with you. For a while, I've got some anniversary. It's my anniversary this month, and I've got some anniversary razors to use and some anniversary salts to use. So we'll use. Well, do you know what, guys? On reflection, that actually feels pretty similar. Okay. Although the Merkur felt slightly sharper and slightly smoother. So we've got that on number 4. These Lord's blades are good. Very good, very smooth. Oh, and we'll put that on number 4. You see that there? And then we'll lather up. Wow. Look, I'm so impressed with this soap. And it smells. I would say the scent strength of the soap in the tub was about 4, and it just stays exactly the same when you lather it. Doesn't lose anything. But you know what, I think if this soap was any stronger scented, it wouldn't be the same. I think the fact that it's quite complicated. It's the best way I can describe it. It's like, do you know when you go to an orchestra, you can hear individual instruments, but you can also hear the whole tune that they're all taking part in playing, can't you? And it's kind of like that with this. You can pick out individual notes. You can pick herbs, and there's spices in there, and there's greenness in there, and there's florals, and there's fougere, and so on. But also, it all seems to come together to make just this one really wonderful scent. Right now, I tell you right now, Number 4 on this razor. Doesn't feel like it's doing anything. I had to stop mid-sentence then because that didn't feel like it was cutting anything. But when I felt my face, it quite clear. Well, yeah, it quite clearly is. But oh, wrong way, John. Wrong way. That's 60. That's what happens when you get a long day in work. But yes, please click like and subscribe. Thanks for all the support, guys, with the videos and the comments and the thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the Ming. Let me know what you think of the Merkur. Let me know what your shaves of the day are, and also let me know. I know I said I was going to do the dart, didn't I, and the R41 as a comparison. Let me know what you'd like to see after March, I think in April. I don't think I'm going to do many more comparisons, but I think I might just do a couple more, yeah. Yeah, you see, aha, there. That's got it now on number 4. I was right, that doesn't feel like it's taken a great lot, but that has. The Merkur side of my face is feeling a lot smoother now, a lot less hair. So we'll take it to, let's go number 2. You see, number 2 on there. Oh, and number 2 on there. It's always good to come home, have a shave, be with your family. Work, do you know, work's so busy. The roads are so busy. We're supposed to be on a lockdown. Do you know what my theory is, guys? I think people have just decided COVID's over. We had a news report saying that the number of people getting COVID was falling, the number of people in hospital were falling, the number of people dying was falling. And they said it's nothing to do with the vaccine because we haven't got those numbers in yet. And then there's something like 30 million people been vaccinated. So I think subconsciously the whole population's just thought, yeah, we're good now. And I was out today and there was just so many people about. Here we go. Against on number 2. Well, that did alright. I could feel, you can feel that. Isn't it strange how it seemed to lose it at 4 and then you take it down? And then it seems to have clawed it back. Oh, well, you see that lot? That's not touching anything. There it is. Yeah. That's got it. Once you get that angle. Not great, guys. Not great. I wouldn't leave that at that. If I was shaving privately, I'd have yanked that back up to 6 and done another pass. Here we go. Can you hear that? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah. 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 Without any shadow of a doubt. I'm trying to lean in to see if you can hear it, but I can hear it. The audio feedback from this is in a different league to the audio feedback from that, and you can feel it cutting. So right, okay. What we'll do is Lather mittens. Yeah. Oh yeah. A very clear winner, guys. A very, very clear winner, that Merkur Futur. Oh, and this soap is so slick. And it's reasonably priced. The after splash was anyway. I don't like talking about price when it was a gift, please forgive me, Dennis. But yeah, the after splash was I think about £13 or something. Can you hear that? Picking that up, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, wow. Very, very, very clear winner. Okay. Yeah, I would say, take these off because they're steaming up. I would say the Merkur Futur on 6, on 4 and on 2. So I would, for me, right across the whole spectrum, the Ming, she's a good razor, but the Merkur Futur is just in a league above it, maybe even several leagues above it. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, she, a good razor. But then it's funny, you think it's great, and then you get the real deal, and you realise just, I think it makes you appreciate just how well made these are. Do you remember Buck Rogers? Buck Rogers in the 25th century. Do you remember that little robot, Tweaky? Beady, 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 catch you later, Buck. Doesn't that look like something Tweaky would use? Right, so you've got to go on YouTube and you've got to look up Tweaky from Buck Rogers in the 25th century. And that just looks beady, 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 beady. That's what you used to do, isn't it? Beady, 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 catch you later, Buck. Yeah, Tweaky's razor. That's what I think anyway. And when they come to take me back to the asylum, I'm going to tell them as well. Okay. Splash. Ibla from the gentleman's groom room, guys. Those guys up there have got everything. Okay. Wow, that's interesting. That's interesting. More sting. A lot more sting on this side of the face than this side. So not only did it deliver a sharper blade and a sharper shave and a closer shave, but there's less burn, less irritation. So it's not been as harsh on the skin. So yeah, wow, Merkur Futur, winner winner, chicken dinner. And we'll basil up with this bergamot and lime. And that's us finished. Please click like and subscribe. Oh, stay safe, everybody. We're coming out of this lockdown, aren't we? The trouble is, people are, oh man, people don't want to speak. They don't want to interact. I mean, I've got this release, haven't I? I can come home and talk to myself in the bathroom. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope you've liked it. Please let me know. Please give me a thumbs up. Not a thumbs down. A thumbs up, a like, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Have a great week. We're nearly at weekend. I jump out of bed on a Monday morning and I'm looking forward to Friday. Oh dear, it's good. Look after yourselves. Stay safe. Thank you to David Cunniff and Dennis O'Drain. Dennis provided the razor and the soap. A Dennis shave. Thank you, Dennis. Great, that soap. Thanks for turning me on to that soap. Good stuff. Have a wonderful week, guys. Stay safe. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Bye.